so in my 15 years, my most favorite character has been Sharda from Tenali Rama. And
Yeah.
in my 15th year, I'm getting to do that again, which I think is truly a blessing. I think it's really cool.
Oh.
And like that, I think that video went pretty viral, some 10, 15 million or something. And we were
Yes,
just like,
it did.
what? So, yeah, so we have a lot of fun working. So there's a huge part of Priyambada in Sharda's character, and that's why I think people really enjoy watching me playing that character. All my vlogs are without makeup. They're super real, super like who I am.
Yeah.
So
That's the
I
unfiltered version we
yeah,
watch.
absolute unfiltered because they've only seen me playing different characters. They don't really
हाँ.
know who I am. Was because I really wanted to know कि सब actually आके ऐसे पागलों की तरह झगड़ा कैसे करने लग सकते हैं? ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? मतलब you can't just land up and be like अरे तू तेरी ये वो ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है?
Exactly.
So I
कैसे
was
हो सकता है? Hello,
yeah.
Priyamada. Welcome to Bollywood Live. How are you and how is life treating you?
Life is good. I'm good. Everything's going well. Thank you.
And you look pretty as always. So I don't have what to describe. So congratulations, 15 years in this industry. My God,
Yeah.
time flies like anything. We have loved all your work, but we want to know that ये 15 साल की journey आपको पता लगी और क्या highlight रहा?
Actually बहुत ही सरप्राइजिंग था जब मुझे एक्चुअली पता चला कि 15 साल हो गए. I don't think I kept track. And I realized that it's been 15 years. I think some fan post came up and they've done a whole journey of my 15 years. And I saw that and I was like, what? It's already been this long. Abhi to aisa lag raha tha. I just came to came for my college. And
Yeah.
it's been really beautiful. I've done a bunch of really different, vast, really versatile, different kind of roles. And I've been very lucky that I got to do that. But you know what's really beautiful and what's a milestone actually, like something that is really so in my 15 years, my most favorite character has been Sharda from Tenali Rama. And
Yeah.
in my 15th year, I'm getting to do that again, which I think is truly a blessing. I think it's really cool.
That's great. So, after 15 years, what advice would you give to your younger self when you started back then कि ऐसा जरूर करना और ऐसा तो मत ही करना आगे जाके?
Um, Actually, I'm somebody who doesn't have regrets at all. Like, I never come back thinking, I wish मैंने ये ऐसे किया होता या I wish मैंने ये नहीं किया होता. Because I feel we always act at the best of our knowledge of that time. Like, हमें जितना पता है हम उसके हिसाब से अपना best ही करते हैं. So, to think, oh, I wish I'd done that and whatever, doesn't make sense. But now when I look back, like one thing I think I want to tell everybody is that it gets better. It always gets better. Like you might feel, nahi hoga, this is it, I don't deserve better, I don't deserve more. But it always gets better. If you're at it, if you keep trying, it definitely gets better. So
And never lose hope.
Never lose hope. Never lose hope.
I think in acting, patience आपको master करना चाहिए. And in life also, हम तो बहुत जल्दी ऐसे हो जाते हैं कि अरे हो गया अब नहीं हो पाएगा. But I think patience we should keep with us. So also, you're currently playing the lead in Tenali Rama. So what excites you about this character? क्योंकि historical है और वैसे भी आपका तो मतलब बिल्कुल perfect लगता है. We cannot imagine anybody else playing this character. So what excites you?
So when they had conceived this character and it was written and all of that, like historical comedy in itself is a very different and difficult genre. Like historical, वैसे mytho, historical, वो सब एक type है, it's very serious and you say the dialogues in a certain way and all of that. But in comedy, it's a lot physical and it's a lot about timing and it has to be very connected and very fun. So bringing a world that we're not a part of. We don't know what it was like, कैसे उठते बैठते क्या करते थे. Connect नहीं कर सकते आप अपनी normal life से. But comedy is something that needs to connect with the audience. So putting the two things together and making something work was in itself like a really different and very challenging thing. And on top of that, Sharda's character, because people who've seen the show, they know that my sass is mute in the show. उनने मौन व्रत रखा है तो वो कुछ बोलती नहीं है. So she does actions, and I interpret her actions, and I also talk for myself. So there are
Hmm.
scenes where I'm talking for her, and we are both just talking. So it's just me talking for her and me talking for myself. So stuff like that was very difficult. Like on paper, किसी ने लिख दिया but to make that character executed, and I think that's what
Exactly.
really worked and clicked with the audience. And so there's a huge part of Priyambada in Sharda's character, and that's why I think people really enjoy watching me playing that character.
And people, they are in splits after that Palang Tod sequence. And, we've been talking about that all the time. So, when you heard that you're going to play something, ऐसा कोई sequence आने वाला है, what was your and your co-star's reaction to it? Ki, what is going to happen?
Krishna and I have a really great time shooting. Like he's also big part of his own personality is a part of the character. So we think like the characters, and we have so much fun doing all of this because I mean, comedy makes everyone happy, right? Like
Yeah,
it's
it does.
it's just, and every time we get a fun comic sequence, we get super excited. So it was actually in that more than thinking about कैसा दिखेगा या क्या होगा, it was more about यार हम ठीक तो होंगे, टूट तो नहीं जाएंगे, because the bear actually falls in that sequence.
Oh, wow.
And like that, I think that video went pretty viral, some 10-15 million or something, and we were
Yes.
just like, what? So yeah, so we have a lot of fun working
We're
together.
looking forward for more such content. So,
Oh,
talking about your own journey, we just love watching your vlogs as well. And, the content creation part, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है देखना. Because, apart from acting also, वो आपका जो भी interest है वो दिखाता है. we get to know you. In a better way. So I want to know ki, what made you start YouTube, and also who's your favorite creator आज के time का?
so it's really strange how I started, honestly. This was way before lockdown, and I stopped in the middle. So I wasn't working on any project in the middle for some time, and कुछ मतलब मजा नहीं आया था. Like I didn't find anything exciting, so I wasn't taking anything up. And one day, like I felt like it was 1 week straight. I was just sleeping. I was just like bedroom se couch, couch se bedroom, and I was not doing anything. And I was like, यार ऐसे तो पूरी life निकल रही. I didn't feel like working out. I didn't feel like eating. I just didn't feel like it. Wasn't like I was depressed. I just didn't want to do anything. So I was like, okay, if someone had to record my life, like it would be so boring. कि कुछ करती नहीं है यार. Like people ask, how was your day and what did you do? So I said, okay, let me start YouTube and start filming myself and see कि मैं दिन भर में क्या करती. And then I was like, no, ये तो लोगों को मजा नहीं आएगा. तो अब तो मुझे कुछ करना पड़ेगा. So then that's how it started. Like I wanted to push myself to get out of the house, to do something at least thrice a week. And that's how I started
Yeah.
to look that, okay, like push myself into doing something that people would also like to watch and just see what I'm like. So all my vlogs are without makeup. They're super real, super like who I am.
Yeah.
So
That's the unfiltered version we
the
want.
absolute unfiltered, because they've only seen me playing different characters. They don't really know who I am. And even if I was a nobody, like even if they didn't know me as a celebrity or as an actor, like I feel a lot of people just want to see what another person's up to in their house and connect with them. So I think that was the whole point why I started, and I should get back to it. I've been neglecting it for a while. I think I should.
Yeah, you should be
Yeah,
there.
go back
So, who's
to
your
it.
favorite, content creator? If we talk about YouTube or Instagram, any kind of content do you prefer consuming, or any creator which you look up to? I mean, which you find fun?
Actually, I really like Madhuri Dixit's YouTube. I think the way like she's done her family, and the way she's moved with times. Like she's a superstar, right? We've all grown up watching her.
Aging backwards, timeless beauty,
Yeah,
evergreen all the time. I don't know how is it
absolutely.
happening.
We've grown up watching her, but the way she's moved
Yeah.
ahead with times, like she connects with kids today, and her YouTube, and teaching dance on YouTube. Like who would have thought Madhuri Dixit is going to teach you dance on YouTube? But the way she's reinvented herself and she constantly keep doing it, I think it just makes us all actors feel that there's no, like how you say na, actor की shelf life होती है. अरे उसके बाद क्या करोगे? So there is no concept उसके बाद क्या करोगे? आप करते रहोगे. आप पूरी लाइफ कुछ ना कुछ करते रहोगे अगर आप नया अपने आप को reinvent कर सकते हो. तो I think I really look up to her. in that sense.
Right. So, TV के popular and सबसे पसंदीदा shows ये रिश्ता, नागिन. I mean, you have contributed in all, I guess. हो गया, सब कुछ coverage होगी. Reality shows done, OTT done. What is left? You have done vlogging also, so you have tried your hands on all the latest, and the पुराना नया सारा चीजें. So we want to know your journey, as in, when you experiment, जैसे आपने TV shows किया, फिर reality, Splitsvilla, you've won Splitsvilla. So how has things and how it has shaped you as a person?
I think every character that I've ever played, I've taken a lot of it into my personality as well. I think that tends to happen because you're playing a certain character for 12 hours over a span of 1 year, 2 years. So थोड़ा थोड़ा आप उस character का अपने अंदर लेते जाते हो. That tends to happen. Then, of course, a reality show, I think, really, really changes you massively as a person because you're with like so many people, you're away from the real world, you're forced into making friendships and relationships, and there's also competition, and then you don't have phone, whatever things you've grown up with. So you tend to discover a very different kind of your personality, and also you get to know a lot of different kind of people and what they're like, their vulnerable side, their whatever sides. So I think all these experiences really change you as a person, like as opposed to someone doing a 9 to 5 job.
Yeah.
You can stay very true to your personality. You know कि ये मैं हूँ और मुझे कोई हिला नहीं सकता. मैं अपना काम करता हूँ, मैं वापस आता हूँ, मैं अपने बच्चों के साथ खेलता हूँ, whatever. But for us, we're constantly shifting. Every day we're trying to be something else, think like that character, behave like that person. Everyone else around you is responding to you like that person, right? मतलब मैं शारदा हूँ, अब मुझे तेनाली भी शारदा की तरह ड्रेस करेगा, स्पॉट बॉय भी वैसे ही ट्रीट करेगा, अरे शारदा मैम. But that's not who I am. So constantly keeps changing, and that's why they say that artists are very vulnerable, very soft, very sensitive, because we need to keep that side up all the time in order to grasp more and deliver more. So I think all these experiences, every character I play, it really, really has changed me a little bit for sure every time.
Yeah. And this is a fact question कि reality shows कितने प्रतिशत scripted और कितने प्रतिशत real होते हैं? Like, are you told to add masala to it, or what is it like? We want to know the behind the scene.
See, people might say just because I've won, I'm not being honest. But so what happens? One of the main reasons I went on Splits also was because I really wanted to know कि सब actually आके ऐसे पागलों की तरह झगड़ा कैसे करने लग सकते हैं? ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? मतलब you can't just land up and be like, अरे तू तेरी ये वो, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है?
Exactly, कैसे हो सकता है?
Yeah, I said, जाके देखना पड़ेगा कि वो सच में बोल रहे हैं ये सब करने के लिए या ऐसी है. But to my surprise, nobody tells you anything to do. You're not even allowed to talk to the crew. There is no contact. It's just over the years, some people know that this is what works. So, they want to go and do that. They're like, "Arey, ladai chalti hai, to ladai kar lete hain." And sometimes you just get triggered and there's no one. Your support system is not there to calm you down. Abhi kya jhagda kiya, you call your mom. Kuch hua. वहां क्या करोगे? कुछ नहीं कर सकते. सब लोग जीतने आए हैं. Everyone's your competition. So who's your true friend? So you get frustrated and people tend to act 10 times more than what they would in real life. आपको गुस्सा आएगा, आप जिस तरह रिएक्ट करोगे उससे 20 times ज्यादा. इसलिए प्यार भी इतना हो जाता है. Because in real life you have other distractions. There you find one person, you're like, oh, this is my world. Whereas that's not true. So it's not scripted at all. Like they have that fix whatever. They cast people in a way कि ये ड्रामा लाएगा, ये कॉमेडी करेगा, ये झगड़ा
They keep up with the trend also. The people who are in trend, when they try to.
हर बार वैसी different personalities ले आओ, पर थोड़ा manipulate. Like that okay, these two people don't get along, so let's put them together.
Yeah. So this works for them. And also for the fans also, they are expecting some drama masala,
Exactly. And that's how a show will get made, right? Like you have to be
Yeah.
smart about putting things together, but nobody
Yeah.
tells you anything, and
Oh, that's great.
yeah.
So one more thing, nowadays it's like reality shows की बहुत बात हो रही है, and a recent show, it's by the name of House Arrest. एजाज खान का एक शो है, उसके बारे में काफी headlines हुई हैं that people were asked to literally to strip in front of all the people in front of the camera, and बहुत अजीब और kind of adult games वगैरह tasks वगैरह दिए जाते थे. तो देखिए, जैसे कि हम बात कर रहे हैं ना, एवरीबडी वांट्स टू बिकम पॉपुलर फेमस, बट आज की डे एंड एज में सच shows are getting approved and they are getting live. So what do you, I mean, have you ever heard, did you hear about the controversy which is going on,
Yeah,
and
I
what would be
have.
your
Like, I
take
haven't paid
about?
much attention to it. I do know that something like that has happened. But then again, I mean, see, personally, I would never be a part of anything like that. That's not something
Yeah.
that I resonate with, or मेरा नहीं है, मेरा aesthetic, मेरा understanding बहुत अलग है. और I mean, then again, I think it's freedom of choice. Honestly, if there are people, nobody is being forced to do it. लोग आ
Yeah.
रहे हैं, वो करना चाहते हैं, वो उस तरह से फेमस होना चाहते हैं. ऑडियंस है जो वो कंज्यूम कर रही है, जो वो देखना चाहती है. तो मतलब इट्स अ कोलैबोरेटिव एफर्ट. अब कोई थर्ड पर्सन उसको
Possible.
क्या जज करे, है ना? देयर आर पीपल
हाँ.
हु आर रेडी टू डू इट, दे वांट टू डू इट, दे आर डूइंग इट, दे आर गेटिंग फेमस, देयर आर पीपल हु आर वाचिंग इट. सो either somebody was being forced to do it, then you say okay, that's not okay. Like उनको कुछ पता ही नहीं है. उनको आपको पता है आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप पता है कौन से शो में जा रहे हो, आपको पता है आपके साथ क्या हो रहा है. तो then I think, I mean, it's a choice. If
The
you don't
personal
relate to it,
choice.
don't watch it. Don't watch it. Don't whatever. Stay away.
And also, being in the limelight is also very tough क्योंकि आपके fans और चाहने वाले तो बहुत सारे हैं. But there's a set of people who keep commenting negative things on your posts and all, and they have an eye on you. सारी आपकी निगरानी रख रहे हैं, but at the same time, they'll talk random things about you. So what is your mantra of being positive and dealing with the negativity that is going on, with social media and the digital world, if we say?
There's too much negativity. Like, I've still been lucky. Like, a lot of it has not come to me, even though I've played so many negative characters. So people have told me कि अरे तुमने अच्छा नहीं किया, या तुम उसके साथ ऐसा क्यों कर रही हो, stuff like that. That has happened, and very amateur, very random. Like, I've gone through some really, I've been going through difficult phases in my life, and show related चीजों को लेके लोगों ने बोला है. But you need to learn to dissociate with it, because those same people, when they meet you in person, they will not be able to say it.
Yeah,
It's just
they
that
don't have the guts. No guts.
they don't have that. So they
Yeah.
hid behind it. It's their personal insecurities, their problems, their way of venting it out. कि रोज सुबह जाके मैं 10 लोगों को कुछ बोल दूंगी तो मेरे मन को शांति मिलेगी. It's how much you take in. I mean, people that you meet, so many people, and people throw negative energies at you all the time.
Yeah.
It's up to you whether you want to let that enter you or not. But it's really sad, like how so many people get trolled, and especially with like this whole influencers and these young people coming
Yeah.
up at the moment, and for them it gets so difficult because we've been hearing how a lot of them are not being able to take it well, and they go through depression, and so it's sad. Like, people should be mindful कि जो आप अपने मुंह पे नहीं बोल सकते किसी के, और फैमिली को नहीं बोल सकते हो, वो आपको नहीं बोलना चाहिए. But then again, we're public figures apparently, so people are allowed to
Yeah.
say and do whatever. So I think it comes with the good, like the bad sort of comes hand in hand. You can't have everything good कि अब हमें सिर्फ अच्छा बोलो, so it's fine, I guess.
Right. So, how do you choose your projects? Is it quality over quantity, or like do you see कि मेरे आसपास काम करने वाले co-stars कौन से हैं, or are you up for risks and experiments? How is it? I mean, process over these years कैसा रहा है, और अब 15 साल के बाद क्या करने वाले हो आगे? Quality
I
है
think sorry.
क्वालिटी होगा या क्वांटिटी वर्क होगा?
when initially I'd come, I just wanted to do a lot of work. I was like, मुझे रोज shoot पे जाना है, मुझे मजा आ रहा है, all of that. And I was very lucky. I got to play very, very different characters and all. And now, like, I like giving myself a lot of time as well, because I feel you need time in between projects. Like I said, कि बहुत आप that character becomes you and all of that. तो खुद भी थोड़ा जरूरी है to take breaks. So now I've really started choosing the projects I do, like in terms of whether the character is going to be something different, whether it's going to be fun for me, whether it's going to be challenging. Who are my co-actors? Will I get to learn something, or will it be draining, to going on set every day?
Yeah.
So I now don't want to do anything that's going to drain me as an actor or as a person. I'm only looking for doing things that are going to challenge me, enlighten me, make me happier, and I should be able to contribute something. And वो तो चलो as actors आप करते ही हो, आप एक character को life देते हो, लेकिन that character or that place, that environment should be able to fulfill me as well. So moving forward, like that's my plan. And whatever recent projects I've done, I've tried to keep that in.
That's great.